learn how to take control of your Twitter experience. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on muting notifications effectively. Discover the simple methods to mute specific conversations, users, or keywords, allowing you to tailor your feed and focus on what matters most. Don't let unnecessary alerts disrupt your Twitter browsing. Master the art of muting notifications today. Go to Settings. Click on Notifications. Then Filters. In muted notifications, you can mute all or some notifications. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.